Hello students, let us discuss the topic angular measurement with the help of universal bevel protractor or vernier bevel protractor. So first of all, let us know what is the angle. So angle is defined as the opening between two lines which meet at a point. So if one line is moved around a point in an arch, a complete circle can be formed, and from this circle the units of angle are derived. If a circle is divided into 360 parts, then each part is called as the degree. So the angle is defined as the opening between two lines that meet at a point. If one line is moved around a point in an arch, a complete circle may be formed. And from this circle, the units of angle are derived. So if circle has 360 parts, then each part is called a degree, which is denoted like this. So angular measurement generally is concerned with the measurement of individual angles on gauges, tools, as well as small angular changes and deflection. So here universal bevel protractor is the simplest instrument for measuring angles between two faces of a component. So as shown in the figure, it consists of a base plate attached to the main body. So this is the base plate attached to the main body. This is the main body, and it has adjustable blade which is attached to a circular plate containing the vernier scale. So this is the circular plate, and there is a vernier scale attached here, and there is a blade attached to this circular plate. So this adjustable blade shown here is capable of sliding freely along the groove provided on it. So there is a groove provided on this circular plate, and it is able to slide freely, and it can be clamped at any convenient length. So this adjustable blade along with the circular plate consists of the vernier scale which can rotate freely about the center. So this vernier scale can rotate freely about the center along this main scale engraved on the body of the instrument, and it can be locked using a clamping knob. So an acute angle attachment is provided for this purpose. So we can see it clearly. There is a blade clamp with which this blade is clamped on the circular plate, and there is a groove provided here on which it can slide freely, and there is this circular plate, and there is an acute angle attachment present here, and there is a clamping knob which is used to clamp or to lock the blade in position, and there is a vernier scale here which can slide or which can move along this main scale, and this is the base plate. So the parts of these bevel protractor are as follows. The first one is the base plate which is attached to the main body. It is attached to the main body, and then there is an adjustable blade. It is attached to to the circular plate which has the vernier scale. So the third part is the circular plate which has vernier scale on it. Then there is a clamping knob which locks the blade in any position. The main scale is engraved on the body of the instrument. So here this is the main scale and this is the vernier scale, and there is an acute angle attachment which is provided for measuring of acute angles, to measure acute angles. So here this adjustable blade can be slided in this groove and can be clamped at any convenient length. So this adjustable blade along with the circular path containing the vernier can rotate freely about the center of the main scale engraved on the body of the instrument and can be locked at any position with the help of a clamping knob. So this can slide freely along this groove and it can rotate freely around the main body of the instrument. So with the help of this blade itself, we are going to measure the angles. So the main scale is engraved, or the main scale is graduated in degrees of arch or circle. The vernier scale has 12 divisions on either side of the center 0. So here the main scale is graduated in degree of arch, and the vernier scale has 12 divisions on either side of the center 0. So this is the main scale reading shown in this figure and this is the vernier scale reading. So the main scale is marked from 0 to 60 minutes of arch, so that each division is 1 by 12th of 60 minutes, that is 5 minutes of the arch. So these 12 divisions occupy the same space as 23 degrees on the main scale. So the divisions on the vernier scale, it is the 12 divisions will occupy same space as the 23 divisions on the main scale. So we can write it as 1 by 12th of 23 degrees, or the mixed angle 111 divided by 12 degrees. If the 0 graduations on the vernier scale coincide with the graduations on the main scale, then the reading is in exact degree. So if the vernier scale as shown here, if the 0 degrees, if this is the vernier scale, if the 0 degree is coinciding with the 0 of this main scale, then we can say that the readings are in exact degree. But if it is not coinciding with the 0, if it is coinciding with some other readings on the main scale graduation, then the number of vernier graduations must be multiplied with 5 minutes, must be added to the number of degrees read between zeros on the main scale and the vernier scale. So if 0 on the vernier coincides with the graduation on main scale, then the readings are in degrees. But if some other graduations on the Vernier scale coincides with the main scale, then the number of Vernier graduations multiplied by 5 minutes must be added to the number of degrees read between the 0 on the main scale and the Vernier scale. So there is another modification for this bevel protractor, and that is the optical bevel protractor. In this, there is a microscope which will help to read the readings which are present on the Vernier scale. So, and the adjustable clamp is rotating member which carries the microscope here. So this is the modification of bevel protractor, that is called as the optical bevel protractor. It has a microscope. So this is all about universal bevel protractor.